Hello, it's James from the Clever Car Collection, and in this video I'm going to show you all around this Honda Jazz that we're selling for spares or repairs. Now the reason we're doing that is because we've noticed a few things on this car which means we can't prepare it to our normal high standards, and there are a few marks on it around the car which we'll show you in this video, and it does mean that we're selling on that spares or repairs basis. So let's have a look at it and I'll show you what it's got. Now this is a small automatic, it drives absolutely fine, it's got MOT until December of this year. It's got the 1.4-litre engine, but there are marks pretty much on every corner, and I'm going to show you a few of those. It's got some marks here and here, all the way along the front here, more marks, some marks around here and here and here. Down on the passenger side, there are various marks along the side, some light rust bubbling through that door there, a little bit on the door seal here. Not major, but I want to point it out nonetheless. Marks around the back, around this side, and some more on, well, I mean this corner has kissed something probably concrete based. Let me show you in the back though, because there are some very clever seats. I mean, if you are the sort of person who likes to carry a yucca plant or plants of that sort of variety, these seats pop up. Joe, come around this side. I mean, watch this. Look at this. Locks in place. I mean, you could kneel here if you wanted to. I mean, I don't want to, but I mean, some people might want to do that. Not me. This side comes up as well. And look at that. Locks in place. Lovely space here for maybe an Alsatian or something of similar size. And the other thing these seats do is they also fold completely flat. I mean, check this out. You have to do some slight manipulation of the seat. I mean, that's now undrivable, but it's fine. But look at that, completely flat. Just showing it's flat. Other little things we've noticed, there's some gaffer tape in this car. A little bit there, a little bit over there. And other parts of the car are held on with gaffer tape. They're not integral to the structural rigidity of the vehicle. However, we just want to point it out nonetheless. The air conditioning doesn't work. Stereo does, and the interior is quite low mileage. This only done 65,000 miles, so the interior is pretty good. I am now going to have to put it back into position, those seats sorted. But anyway, this car will be offered on a spares or repairs basis. That means it doesn't come with a warranty. It does mean it has to be picked up from our location and taken away by yourselves. If you want any more information on this car, you can contact us. I'm James, it's james@clevercarcollection.com, and you can see some pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. So grab yourself a bargain, see this Honda Jazz, take it away, perfect. Thank you very much for watching, see you soon, bye bye.